Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a super healthy recipe of soup made with vegetable stems and peels that you would usually throw off. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's take a look at how to make this delicious green soup. First, I'm going to soak some moong dal about 1/4 cup. Wash the moong dal couple of times and let's soak it for about 30 minutes or so. Moong dal adds that thick consistency to this soup. So here I have taken coriander, dill and mint stems and also the peels of bottle gourd. So I have lots of them, about 2.5 cups. So just drop all of that. This is an extremely healthy soup. Also for some flavor I'm adding ginger, garlic and 1 small onion. You can just roughly chop them into big pieces. Add the soaked moong dal and add about 2 cups of water. Some peppercorns. You can also add some red chilies or even red chili powder to this if you want it little spicy. Simply pressure cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. After the pressure is released, let's open it. And all our veggie stems are cooked well with onions, ginger and garlic. Just with this immersion blender, I'm going to blend it into a fine puree. So give about 4 to 5 minutes. Since these are all stems and some are really thick, it's going to take a few more minutes. So about 4 to 5 minutes and it gets a nice puree like this. Now we are going to sieve this puree because remember it's with stems, so we don't want kind of that thick stems coming in our mouth while we kind of sip through the soup. So it's better to sieve it. So look at that, all the leftover. And our soup is ready. We simply are going to boil it. So on a gas stove, just add salt to taste and let it come to a really good boil. Switch off the flame once it gets a good boil like this and it's ready to be served. A very light, healthy soup is ready. As you have seen, this green soup gets done in no time. Zero oil, delicious soup that you can enjoy before your meals. Simply garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.